Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Starting the day off with a cup of black coffee, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free creamer, and a splash of stevia. Here's how I'm preparing for the day. So this is my little Dash egg cooker. I have a full dozen eggs in here. And all you do is add the water, poke a hole in each egg, plug it in, and you wait. When it's done, you will hear the alarm sound, which it's so convenient. I mean, you literally can't do anything wrong. And I just let it sit here unplugged until everything cools off. And at that point, I take the shells off and they just come off so easily. So as you can see here, I have everything lined up on my cutting board, and the goal is to make some deviled eggs or egg salad. Don't know which yet. And I'm also going to just plate some eggs in a to-go container. I'm going to show you the process. It's so simple. But, you know, when you're on a program like I have been on, part of my allure to it was that it was easy, right? You just grab, eat your little fueling, and you go. So in doing this, I'm preparing myself for something very similar, where I have the food prepped, and I mean, you can't get any easier than this, right? This is not going to be long-term, though, guys. Keep in mind, 3 to 5 days, a week tops, just to get into deep ketosis, but very doable. So I'm putting a few of the eggs in my container, and then several, as you can see, I have on the side, because what I'm going to do is I decided to make egg salad, and I have the eggs on the side all ready to chop up. But first I want to get the yolks mixed up, and I'm going to show you what kind of mayonnaise I'm using. Primal Kitchen mayo with avocado oil. There's no seed oils in this. It's really, really good, anti-inflammatory, which is exactly what I'm going for. So in the bowl here it goes. The only thing I'm going to add to this when I'm done mixing it is just a little bit of black pepper. And I think what I'm going to do is chop up those little egg whites on the side, combine the two, and cover it up. But this is transportable, and to be quite honest, this is a dozen eggs. I'm honestly not going to be able to do a dozen eggs in a day. That's a lot, but you can technically. If you're hungry, eat away. This can't hurt you. So my goal in the day is 6 eggs, and combined with a little bit of cheese. So with the egg fast, they recommend you always adding some fat for every 1 to 2 eggs. So in my head, I'm going to have a little bit of the mayo. The eggs have full property of excellent protein and fat. And then I'm going to show you the kind of cheese that I'm going to put on top of those eggs that are in the container, and how I prepare that, because I do more than just throwing some cheese on top. So finishing up, just sprinkled the pepper on here, and going to mix it up and put it aside. And here is the cheese, Colby Jack. You notice that it's not grated. These are slices. And the reason being is grated cheese always has potato starch mixed in to keep everything from sticking together. I didn't want that. So sliced cheese, I put this in the microwave for 1 minute. It melts the cheese on top, and away we go. I mean, this couldn't be simpler. All in all, the eggs cooking in the Dash, and then the eggs cooking in the microwave for a minute. How long did this take? It's no time. I'm prepared for the day. I'm so excited. My appetite is way down. The bloat is coming off. And obviously the goal was to reduce the breast tenderness and get rid of all of that heightened estrogen, if that was the root cause. We're still not really sure. Good morning, you guys. All right, so eggs are prepared for the day. As you saw, I did hard boiled. I made some egg salad. And for healthy fat, I did 2 ounces of cheese, which is allowed for the full day of an egg fast. So basically what I'm trying to do is get my body in a deep state of ketosis minus the carbs, so that when a couple of days of this pass me by, I will be less inflamed, less bloated, and just ready to transition into my low carb lifestyle. I did take the Optavia that I had and pack it up. And I'm going to be giving it to someone who requested it. So I don't have it in my house anymore. Today is day 3 off of program, and I do notice a slight change in the way the breasts feel. They are still tender, but definitely a decrease. So that's really good, and I'm happy about that. Day 3 on the egg fast means that I fasted, so 16 hours last night, and we'll be breaking my fast at 11. So right now, Jess is getting ready. We're heading down to my mother-in-law's house. She lives down at the beach, so I'm taking the dogs out for their morning walk. It's really strange to have a day off of work. It feels really weird, but it's nice. I feel so good about this decision, and hopefully, woo, hi puppy. Wow, don't jump through the window. That dog was giant. Hopefully my decision will be a positive one, and I'll have a positive result in regards to decreasing the amount of inflammation that I have. Ooh, there's a huge dog. And my 2, of course, have to be like standoff. Come on, girls. Let's go. Look at this. Freaking frack. It's a gorgeous day here. I think it's in the low 60s, and I am enjoying the weather. Wearing a little balloon sleeve, zip up jeans and sneaks. And my jeans around my waist are actually looser today. So it is working. Can't wait to check what the scale is gonna show. Sorry, I'm just a little distracted because there's another dog. It's like everyone in my neighborhood has a dog. All right, anyway, we are another dog. They're everywhere. Oh my God. I'm gonna get my eggs and everything packed up, and we'll see you on the road to the Jersey Shore. All right, so we got some things loaded up. We're gonna be helping my mother-in-law do a couple things at her house, but I do want to show you or tell you that I packed some Element electrolytes because I was starting to get just a little bit of palpitation and they went away. So I needed some electrolytes. Here's Jess.
Greetings.
What'd you get?
2 of these. 2 of those.
Yay! We're hooked up.
More importantly, today's album is Queensryche Rage for Order.
So we just got here, and this is my mother-in-law's beautiful development. It's beautiful down here. The beach is only a couple minutes away. And I have volunteered to take her lovely dog for a walk. Her dog Lexi, let me show you. She is the most precious little thing. Hold on. Lexi. Hi, Lex. Lexi is, I believe, a King Charles. Ooh, don't quote me. King Charles something. And I'm loving that green car behind me. Wow, that is right up my alley. Love the color. But aren't the homes here beautiful? This is what the houses look like. I love it here. I love it here. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. So I'm still not hungry from this morning's breakfast at 11. Right now it is 3:15. No appetite. Had my electrolytes like I showed you because I started to get just a little bit of palpitation. Within 2 minutes of drinking the electrolytes, they went away. So obviously you have to, when you cut your carbs, you have to have sodium and potassium, a little bit of magnesium in there, and I feel great. Look at the sky. Woo. So nice. All right, so I'm gonna continue getting as much exercise as I can while Jess does a couple of things in the house for her, and then I'm gonna go back and help. All right, guys, it's the end of the night, and I apologize for not filming me actually eating the eggs, but I had a total of 7 eggs for the day, 2 ounces of cheese, a little bit of mayo, and that was my day. I'm going to tell you the results. I'm going to do this for another 2 days. That'll be 5. We'll get the results at that point and see if I want to do it another 2 to make it a full week. Let me know your thoughts below. Thank you for coming along with us today, and I will see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye, guys.